Alright, we got it roughed out. You can see here where I've got the double lines there, I had to move my fade back into the working part of the limb a little bit to avoid this knot. About a ½ inch. But pretty confident that it'll disappear as we get further into the build. You really can see the bend in that limb now, but it'll straighten out with a little bit of heat. Move this fade back into the limb to match the other one to keep it symmetrical. Other than that, I don't think we really had any major problems. Just a small knot in the fade. Should pretty much work itself out of there. You can see the growth rings on the one side of the tree are really huge, and they shrank down on the other side. Should make for an interesting looking belly on the bow. But yeah, we used the bandsaw to rough it in, and I came back and used my thumb plane and a couple different rasps to get us to the line. Finish roughing it out. Still a little oversized. You always want to leave it oversized till you get done straightening and recurving the tips if you're going to put any reflex into them. We'll probably flip the tips just a little bit. But that's it for now.